Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA in Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security Disability Law Firm. Let's go to the next question. What is the most stupidly simple definition of what disability benefits are? Ooh. That's kind of tough. Because, when you have like all the stuff, what the elements are, how federal law applies, appellate laws, interacting with it, kind of makes it tough. All right, the most stupid, simple version of disability benefits. It's a check every month for people who can't work. That's basically it. And in most states for both programs, and there's really adult child, it makes 3 programs, but for most people in most states, it includes health insurance for the rest of your life, so long as you're still in the disability program. So what is the most stupid, simple definition of disability benefits that I can come up with? It is a check every month and health insurance for people who basically can't work. That's it. That's all they are. I could give you a really complex version of that. All right, the next video I'll do will be like the most complex, ridiculous version of how do you define disability benefits. Actually, no, there's no point of that. I can sum that up for you very easily. Just go look at the 5-step sequential process, which are the 5 elements that make up disability law, and that defines what essentially requirements are in the federal law, the statute, the code, for being found disabled. So learning those 5 elements is your complex definition of what disability benefit-based programs are. So yeah, go look at the 5-step sequential. All right. My name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA in Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security Disability Law Firm. If you have any questions at all, please give me a call. If you want the most up-to-date information, give me a call, and we will go from there. All right. Have an absolutely wonderful day, and thank you so much. Bye-bye.